What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to another tutorial, and in today's tutorial I will be showing you how to make the bot respond to certain messages that the user sends. So like this could be used as a good square filter, which is what I'm going to be showing you. And I'm also going to show you how to make it so that when your bot's DM'd, it's going to say, "I only speak to e-girls." So what we're going to go ahead and do is we're going to add a comment here that's client. Let's just all caps this client DM'd. So basically, when it is DM'd, then we're just going to drop down client.on parentheses message, and then we can remove this comma async message. And then we're going to do brackets, drop down like 2 lines. Oops, okay, then we're going to go here. If message, we needed to do, okay, if message dot channel dot type equals, this is basically if it is a DM, oops, okay, equals DM, and then we need to do brackets again, like so. I'm gonna drop down. So if the message is a DM, and to make it so the bot doesn't spam, we're going to do if message dot author. Okay, so if we didn't add this, since the bot just responds to anyone DMing it, since the bot sends the DM, it will just start spamming it over and over. So we don't want that. So we're going to do if message dot author dot username, and then we are going to do space exclamation mark equal sign. Someone just messaged me. We're going to do test or tutorial bot. Okay. So I doubt anyone will have their Discord username as tutorial bot, but if they do, then this wouldn't work for them either. So next thing we're going to do is just add even more brackets. Yes, we love brackets. And then we're going to do message dot channel dot send. Sorry, I only speak to e-girls. Or you could put this e-girls. You could actually change this to whatever you want, but that's what I'm having mine as. And then at the last one here, we're just going to do that. So as you can see, no error. We're just going to clean this up a little bit, make our code a little bit nicer. And I think that's about good enough when you guys say that. Okay, so just do Control S. This should disappear. Okay, you do Control C, up arrow, enter, or you just type node tutorialbot.js. You go to Discord, and now if we DM the bot, "Hey, tutorial bot, sorry I only speak to e-girls," and you can DM him anything, and he will respond with the exact same message. So let's go back, and now we're going to be adding the square filter. If you want it to delete messages, I will show you how to do that. But in this case, we won't want it to delete the message. We just want it to get triggered, because this is how my dad bot was before. But you could actually make it delete message, so swear words. So what we're going to do here is essentially just make it so if anybody types swear words, no matter if it's capital or if they space it out, it should still work. So what we're going to do is if message dot content dot to lowercase, it converts it to lowercase, dot includes, and then we are going to do parentheses, quotation marks, poop head, the poopy head. So if someone types poopy head, then they're gonna get dadbot a hold of them. So then we're going to do cult brackets, and then we're going to do message dot channel dot send. Watch your mouth. Okay, and then we're going to do message dot react, so it's basically going to react to the message with whatever you put in here. I am gonna search up angry emoji, so it's gonna react with an angry emoji. This works, and it should look a lot different than that on Discord or whatever. Okay, so go to tutorial bot. So it's gonna react with the angry face. And then we also need to add semicolons here on both of these. And that should be it, actually. We're just going to do Control S, Control C, up arrow, enter. Okay, it's online. So if we type poopy head, watch your mouth, and it's going to react with an angry emoji. If we type it, no matter what way we type it, it should still say watch your mouth. Alright, so that is basically the swear filter, and now I'm going to show how to make an actual, very basic command. So we're going to drop down 2 lines, and what we're going to do is do the exact same thing we did here. So I'm just going to copy and paste this a few lines down. I'm just going to do backspace a few times. And I also forgot, okay, just do that. Okay, so now we drop down, and what we're going to basically do is, so it needs to be dot includes prefix plus poopy head, or plus version. This is basically just say the bot's version. You have to change it manually inside of here, or you can create a variable before for it if you want. So what we're going to do is message.channel.send. Oops, what the heck just happened? Okay. The bot's current version is whatever you want it to be, 1.0.0 if it's like the first release. Just like that. And you can just change these numbers as you update it. Yep, just like that. So if we do whatever our prefix is, I'm pretty sure it's in config. Okay, now I need to blur my token. It's in package. Nope, it's not in package. Oh, yeah, it is in config. Our prefix is a percentage symbol. We're just going to go here and Control S, Control C, up arrow, enter. There you go. And then we're going to do percentage version. The bot's current version is 1.0.1. So that works just as it intended to. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys in the next video, and peace out.